All right, welcome back to my channel. We've got to do a little bit of maintenance here. So for safety purposes, I have taken off my anode bar and I need to knock some of these crystals down. So we're gonna drain off the solution. I'll try to be hands off on this just because this is where you really can mix some of that slimes up and contaminate it. Now, I'm gonna give you a close-up. I thought I could use some silicone to insulate this stainless steel wire tie that I was using for making the crystals grow, right, on this instead of a stainless steel bar, but apparently I've missed a couple areas and you see the crystals growing out. So, you know, should I have used some different material than electrical tape and silicone? Yeah, but you know, it's an experiment, so lessons learned. We're gonna knock that stuff down, but look at the crystal growth there. This is less than 24 hours and it's working pretty well. I made some spirals there instead of a traditional graphite or bowl. So all my intent is to knock the crystals down and go from there. So that's it. I started this at 7:45 last night, and here you go. We're gonna do a sideways view. Whoa! There you go, guys.